Just on Seapoint Road this morning, so we're looking towards Dunleary. In the background is the spire of the church, Marine Road. So let's go down here. Here we go, over the railway we go. Fortunately covered in graffiti. Can't get away from graffiti, it seems to be everywhere. Now, and the rocks in the background, heading down to the Martello Tower. Smell of fire burning. Right, in over here, you just see a Seapoint station, and the stables beside it. Circular windows. This is a great shortcut to the Martello Tower over the railway. The world's first commuter railway when it opened in 1834. So this lovely little road here with these Victorian, can you call them bungalows? Single story houses, I suppose. When they used the term bungalows back in Victorian times. Overcast with dry winter's morning in mid-January. I think that view speaks for itself. So let's head down this road. Martello Tower. These are obviously weren't taking the potential invasion of Napoleon lightly. So they built all these towers, as I said in previous videos, from Bray. It was all fortified from Bray up to Balbriggan. And on the peninsula of Howth. Just where we're passing some very ornate houses here. Really beautiful. Calm waters there on the left. Out in the Irish Sea is very busy. A lot of container ships come over from India. Very busy port. And since the closure of Dunleary port, if you want to go to Wales/England, you have to go to the North Wall. Was it 2009, 2010 they ended passenger ferries from Dunleary? Controversial decision was taken after hundreds of years of service from Dunleary to Holyhead. So we're approaching the tower now with the replica cannon on top. I was in it in 2012, 10 years ago. They had a heritage days throughout that summer, so keep an eye out for that. There might be a spring program coming up, but it's great to actually feel it inside and walk around and what it was like to be. Inside. So it's a rare treat. Of course, it's a famous swimming area around here as well. Very popular spot, like the 40-foot is beyond Dunleary. So really both sides of Dunleary have swimming areas. Well, it takes a brave soul to go in these waters. So here's the tower here. Let's just climb up the steps, have a look. Up we go. Any intruders used to pour tar down there, so as a deterrent. I think this concrete was put in place a number of decades ago. Let's just end the video down here. So please subscribe to my channel. It's not just all about railways, but certainly trying to incorporate videos of this area as well. Let's have a look down here. There's swimmers out there, incredible. There's Salt Hill Station there in the background, and Dunleary, Longford, majestic Longford Terrace as well. Let's just head up to conclude this video at these steps here at the bridge. This railway bridge dates back to the 1830s. When the line was open, there was only one intermediate station, Blackrock, but I did a video on Marion yesterday. I correct myself on that because I said CIE sold it in 1935. It was actually part of Great Southern Railway, so apologies for that. We all get it wrong sometimes. There's a little gate here. It's a very narrow road here just for one car. Just have a look over in the railway. So the busiest railway line in the country and the first commuter railway line in the world. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, Station to Station. I'm also doing blogs. Check my blogs out, please. So I've done a couple of blogs already. I'll be doing more on the Harcourt Street line and so forth. So keep an eye out for that, please. Thanks very much. Have a good day.